Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree Branch. Account holder's name Richard Shaw. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 108 out of 150 questions. This question asks, Jamar bought a pencil for $38 and sold it to Shane for $50. What was Jamar's percentage profit? The choices are A, 88%, B, 32%, C, 68%, D, 12%. Again, the question and choices are Jamar bought a pencil for $38 and sold it to Shane for $50. What was Jamar's percentage profit? The choices are A, 88%, B, 32%, C, 68%, D, 12%. Do you know how to calculate percentage profit? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. Jamar bought a pencil for $38 and sold it to Shane for $50. What was Jamar's percentage profit? The choices are A, 88%, B, 32%, C, 68%, D, 12%. Now to read my answer. 50 minus 38 is equal to 12. 12 over 38 multiplied by 100 over 1. 12 over 38 multiplied by 100 over 1. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 2 into 38 goes 19 times. 6 multiplied by 100, 600. 19 multiplied by 1, 19. 600 over 19. 600 divided by 19 is equal to 31.5. Answer B, 32%. Now to explain my answer. So first you find the profit in dollar amount. First you find the profit that was made in dollar amount. So Jamal bought the pencil for $38 and sold it for $50. Therefore, subtract 38 from 50. Subtract 38 from 50. So 50 minus 38. 50 minus 38. 50 minus 38 is equal to 12. 50 minus 38 is equal to 12. So therefore, Jamal made a profit of $12. Jamal made a profit of $12. Now to find the percentage profit, you put the profit amount over the cost price. Multiply that by 100, which you put over 1. You multiply by 100 because percent means out of 100. Percent means out of 100. So again, to find the percentage profit, put the dollar amount of the profit over the cost price and multiply that by 100, which you put over 1. You put any whole number over 1. So 100 goes over 1 because 100 is a whole number. 100 goes over 1 because 100 is a whole number. So that makes it 12 over 38 multiplied by 100 over 1. 12 over 38 multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay, so now we have 12 over 38 multiplied by 100 over 1, and we need to do some cancelling out. To do some cancelling out, we find a common factor between any numerator and any denominator. To do some cancelling out, we find a common factor between any numerator and any denominator. A common factor is a number that goes into the number without leaving a remainder. A common factor is a number that divides into the number without leaving a remainder. 2 can go into 38 without leaving a remainder, and can also go into 6 and can also go into 12 without leaving a remainder. 2 can go into 38 without leaving a remainder, and it can also go into 12 without leaving a remainder. So let's divide 12 and 38 by 2. Let's divide 12 and 38 by 2. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 2 into 38 goes 19 times. 2 into 12 goes 6 times. 2 into 38 goes 19 times. There's no more casting out that can be done. As if you divide any number, there's no number that can divide into 19 and 100 without leaving a remainder. So there's no more casting out that can be done, as there's no number that can divide into 19 and 100 without leaving a remainder. And 1 into any number will give you back the same number. And 1 into any number will give you back the same number. So therefore, let's multiply across. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 100 is 600. And 19 times 1 is 19. 19 times 1 is 19. Again, 6 times 100 is 600. And 19 times 1 is 19. 6 times 100 is 600, and 19 times 1 is 19. That makes it 600 over 19. 600 over 19. That's an improper fraction. So let's turn it into a mixed number or a decimal or a whole number. That's an improper fraction. So let's turn it into a whole number or a mixed number or a decimal. Okay, so let's divide 600 by 19. Let's divide 600 by 19. 19 into 6, we can't. So we cross out the 6 and put a little 6 in front of the 0 that is beside it. We cross out the 6 and put a little 0 in front of the 6 that is beside it. That makes 60. Next we say 19 into 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 60. 19 into 60 goes 3 times. 19 times 3 is but it leaves a 3 remainder. So that makes it 57. And 19 times 3 is 57. 19 times 3 is 57. So that's 3 times remain 3. 3 times remain 3. Put a 3 on the line above it, on the bar above it, put a 3 on the bar above it and write the 3 remaining beside the 0 beside it. Write the 3 remaining beside the 0 beside it. That makes 30. That makes 30. Next, 19 into 30. 19 into 30. 19 into 30 goes one time, remain 11. 19 into 30 goes one time, remain 11. Next, you put a point and write a 0. Put a point and write a 0 and write a little 11 in front of the 0. Put a point and write a 0 and write a little 11 in front of the 0. So, and then you write the 1 on the bar above it. Write the 1 on the bar above it. And put back point over point, point over point, point over point, point over point. Next, you say 19 into 110. 19 into 110. 19 into 110. 19 into 110. 19 into 110 goes 5 times. As when you add up 5 times, you get 95. When you add up 19 5 times, you get 95. When you add up 19 5 times, you get 95. And it's less than what is remaining is 16. Is 15. What is remaining is 15. So that's less than 19. So you get it 5 times. 5 times you add up 19 and you get 95. You cannot add it up 6 times because if you add it 6 times, that will pass 110. If you add it 6 times, that will pass 110. So you add it 5 times and get 95. You add it 5 times and get 95. So therefore, 19 into 110 goes 5 times. 19 into 110 goes 5 times. Now, let's round off this number to our whole number. We have 35, we have 31.5, 31.5. Let's round off to our whole number. We have 31.5. Let's round off to our whole number. Since as the number after the whole number is 5, we round it up. Since as the number after the last whole number, which is 1, is a 5, we round it up. Since as the number which is after the last whole number is more than is a 5, we round it up. If a number is 5 or more, you round it up, okay? If a number is 5 or more, you round it up. So therefore, we round this 31, we round it up to 32. We round 31 up to 32. We round 31 up to 32. We round 31 up to 32. So 31.5 becomes 32. 31.5 becomes 32. So answer B, 32%. Answer B, 32%. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
receive 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers by email. Practice, practice, practice. That's the key to passing GSAT. And remember that these tests are also suitable for PEP. That is the replacement for GSAT. So go ahead and start listening to these videos which are suitable for both PEP and GSAT, and start practicing the practice tests with answers that are also both suitable for GSAT and PEP. Start listening to the videos and practicing the tests now. Only $4,000. Email Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com or telephone 353-4752. And remember that this telephone number 353-4752 uses WhatsApp, so we can communicate via WhatsApp if you'd like to. So go ahead, start watching the videos and practicing the tests from now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.